Hi, welcome to Aloft Chicago MagMile. This is the lobby. The Aloft brand is most notable for its modern architecture and colorful style. Aloft Hotels has been dubbed a vision of W Hotels and even pays tribute to the W Hotels with its WXYZ bar. The lobby has ample seating and even a billiard table. Here's the front desk. Next to that is Refuel, the hotel's convenience store with grab-and-go food and drink items. Those with Marriott Platinum status or higher receive a $25 daily voucher redeemable at Refuel or for hot breakfast items. This is Splash, Aloft's indoor pool on the 19th and highest floor of the property. Again, notice the vibrant modern decor. This is Recharge, their gym, which is also on the 19th floor. I'm showing an image from their website because it was too crowded when I visited and I didn't want to disrupt people's workouts with my filming. This is a one king base room. Immediately on the left is the sink area, under which is a mini fridge and bright yellow hair dryer. Behind the sliding door is the bathroom. There is a bulletin board, a nice addition, some wall art. These three clothes hangers are the closet. Here's the coffee maker, safe, and some drawers for storage. The living room area has a wall-mounted TV, colorful rug, table, and a corner couch big enough for a person and a half. Then the king bed with end tables on both sides and interesting lamps. Kinda random, but the phone has an interesting minimalistic design. The drawer has a fun "Don't forget me" message. Okay, that is all for Aloft Chicago MagMile. Thanks for joining. Oh, for some reason, I really like this coat hanger. Bonus points for those that notice how many windows are in this room.